Hello and welcome to my channel, and this is a video for anybody who would like to have their switch positions changed from the default startup position when the Taranis is turned on, so you won't get a warning. For example, if you would like to have an arm switch like mine here in the up position as the default position on startup and not get a switch warning, then this is how it's done. So let's turn on the radio here. Okay, no switch warning. And my SF switch is toward me. Normally I would get a switch warning. So what you do is you go into the menu, page over, scroll down, find where your switches. Here's all your switches, and you can see my F switch is in the opposite position of the rest. So if you want to do that, you set up your radio how you would like the default setup. When you turn it on, put your switches where you would like them, and you go here, highlight your switches, press and hold the enter button. The radio will beep and the default setup will be set and saved. And from then on, every time you turn on your radio, you won't get a switch warning if one of the switches are toward you. So that's it. Thanks for watching.